Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining. Let's get the show going. It's a foul day. Yes, indeed. No sunrise. So we're heading to where I gotta go pick up my trail cam. I had on my camera my vlog. I deleted it. Yes, indeed. I cleared it all out. Now I'm one vlog less. I need to go find a spot. Be right back. You could come along. Nothing ashamed about it. We're going to a table. I'm going to finish my review. The application can be opened up anywhere imaginable. Simply hit on the application and allow it to open and see if you have any animals, bugs showing. This is a live feed. We can take the window and increase the size and see what's on there. So the trail cam, infrared, nighttime, daytime, can be ran worldwide. That's it, I'm done. 2 seconds, I'm already completed. Oh, the fountains, they're on. Do you go for free summer meals? Do you have them at your regional areas? That's interesting to know. Post down below. So as I ride along, gotta go figure out where I left my stuff. We'll get going. I need to check my tire pressure by giving it a little squeeze. I feel that I need to add a couple of pounds in, PSI that is, so I could keep on rolling. I went in there and I went in with the e-bike and man, did I pick the trail. I was squeezed in, water's edge. Wasn't good, couldn't find a spot. So I came out all the way close to the land and I picked a bad spot. And I used most of the battery power just going in there. Battery on a smooth surface e-bike lasts a lot longer. Well, I did find a company called KN. And it's also underneath a model's name. And that is eSwitchy. I'm not sure if they are, but they are in similar. All right, I need to pay attention. I remember I went in over here, or came out over here. So let's ride on in and see how far in I go. I know that hill. Maybe I could see my bike track. Maybe I could see a tree. I remember that mound over there. I think I just hit a spider's web. Well, yeah, let me make a turn. There we are. Clear as day. There you see it. So we got the trail cam capturing the moments. Place it in the trees, wall mount it, anywhere you need to see if wildlife are watching. I just want to keep on moving and get on out of here. It's too buggy with mosquitoes. At least I didn't get bit by one. Today that is, because when I went there the last time, man, I'm still itching. Do you like scratching? Not the Beastly Boys. I took a detour. I'm just riding through. I want to see where some of the streets go to. So here we are. Around the bend. This way you get to see a little bit different scenery. As we'll be making a turn, we'll be by a beach. Stay tuned. All right, the beach is right around here. Is it on a dead-end street? Did I miss it by one? I sure did. We'll go down a little further. So as you can see, there's the beach. Oh man, just a little work on the car. All right. Sometimes it's a little tricky to find the places you need that you're looking for. So here we are. Make a stop. There you go. Beach members only. I guess I can't show you the beach. But now you see where I'm at. I'll just go down to each of the ends so I can at least see some view. Here's a classic. Beautiful shape indeed. We found an area that we're able to get a nice view. All right, there you go. Beautiful indeed. Now you got your shot. I'll bring my attention right over there as the birds are having fun. Yeah, I've been over here before, many years ago. I've been to one of the lots over here, the boat yards. Hung out. Now I can't go any further than this because the next avenue is the canal. That's what I saw. They're all short side streets. So we'll cut through this one. As you can see, the yellow up ahead and the house up ahead. That's the canal. We'll ride up. Maybe I can see a spot so I can show you. Now we used to hang out right over there. We had our slip. And there used to be a houseboat. And we used to hang out a number of houses in the canal. TGIF, right across the way with the red lighthouse. No more. Doesn't look like they're in business anymore. Now this is a road I could have showed you on. Look how spots are there. We'll continue on. Spots are precious all over. Canal goes down pretty far. And normally, everybody gets together and they do the canal swim. People swim in the canal. I'm almost down towards the end of the street. And I'm almost at the end of the canal. Who has the beautiful shot at the end of the canal? The library. And the library is under construction for the next number of years. They completed the outside and they're doing the inside for over $4 million plus. We're open, so that means we can go in and view at the edge of the canal. We're at the edge of the canal. And that's all you're going to see. Let's head on out, get on going. Can I turn down this block? I'm on the opposite side. And look at that sky. It is not a nice day in front, but a nice day behind. All right, so here you have is a boat ramp that you could take your boat up of this big property. Did you ever think those two dead-end streets ever have a bridge that they walked over? Maybe they did, maybe they didn't. But it's time for us to get on going. I still got a little time, and I'm heading down to where it's probably the highlight of my vlog. Yeah, the farm. The farm that is. We're at the end. Boat's ready to go out. And the farm. I don't think Mr. Pig or Mr. Horse is out. But it's time for us to get on going. Hey, thank you for sticking around. Coming along on the tour. You never know what you get with the fish. Nice slow pedal. Nice comfortable pedal. I don't love straps of helmets. Not all fit just the right way. And on that note, thank you for stopping along. Time for me to get on out. Get on going. Let the car go by. This way, I could go right. I made it down to the end. And the end is the vlog. And on that note, have a wonderful day.